Hey dosers, QuizzyDose is back in action. Welcome to this unique odd animal emoji quiz, where you will discover a variety of creatures hidden among the emojis. Can you spot the odd ones out? Let's go! There it is, the one that's different is the white mouse. The odd one makes an appearance. The owl. Surprise reveal, the odd emoji is the otter. Surprise! It's the beetle. There it is! The unexpected guest is the pig face. It's not like the others, it's the ant. And that's our special emoji, the koala face. Got it? The odd is the snail. Look who stands out. The turkey. Ah, there's the odd one. The whale. And the unique emoji is the lobster. Can you believe it? It's the caterpillar. Look, the odd emoji is the water buffalo. Behold, the odd emoji is the deer. And the mystery emoji is the shrimp. Look at the outlier. The ram. Aha! The odd is the front-facing chick. And there it is, the raccoon. What a twist! The pig face. There it is, the unique emoji is the spouting whale. That's not like the others. It is the sheep. That's definitely different. The bison. And the odd is the rabbit. And the oddity emerges. It's the lizard. And the unique emoji is the front-facing baby chick. And that's our unusual emoji, the leopard. And the standout emoji is the Hear No Evil monkey. There's our oddity, the dromedary. Unexpected, isn't it? The cat. And finally, the oddball emoji is the spider. So, that's it. Congratulations on completing the challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, it's time to pick your next challenge. Choose wisely.